Hey guys, I'm gonna play my game called Pong game, but the rules are reversed. Let's go to the video, I guess. So, here. This is like the Pong game, but it's reversed. So, but the ball is the paddle, and the paddle is the ball. So yeah. See? I could add multiple levels because the reason why I kept the line the same is because I was too lazy to do that, because I was just too lazy to add a game over obstacle. You can be lazy by doing this. Hey, did you not know that you could be lazy? Did you know that you can be lazy in Pong games? By just going to where it's going, by going to where the paddle is going. Well, not in the Pong game, but the roles are reversed. Yeah. Okay. This is the end. Thanks for watching.